What's up, YouTube? This is a video of my wins for the month of December. Thank you to all these wonderful channels for the opportunity and fun. Steeler Stacker was part of the 25 Days of Christmas giveaway, along with iJones Coins, CNR Treasures, Coins USA, Silver Scorpion, and himself. It was an amazing event, and I was lucky enough to win Steeler Stacker's Day. He sent me a sticker, number 33. A Brotherhood KML. My dear friend Sheree Ward, Steeler Stacker. This note, Merry Christmas. My day forgaw is in the right place. I'm real happy you were my winner, and I hope you enjoy all the goodies. Stay safe, Steeler Stacker. Thank you, brother. I truly appreciate it. This was an amazing giveaway, and I'm truly very thankful and grateful to you for you sending it to me and being part of this. I won 1885 P. Morgan, silver dollar, a bicentennial Kennedy, very good condition, beautiful, a 1968 D, 40% silver Kennedy, beautiful Mercury design, Mercury dime design, copper, I love it. Golden State Mint. Thank you so much, Steeler Stacker. I truly appreciate you. And I appreciate everyone in the 25 Days of Christmas Gaw. It was a lot of fun and very generous of all of you. If you don't have Steeler Stacker, hit him up. He's trying to get to 500. And he's not that far away, guys. He's a great friend and a great member of the community. Thanks so much, Steeler Stacker. America Silver Patriot. Also, the Silver Cooters. He's known as Grumpy Cooter. America Silver Patriot did a live stream auction for his silver pours. He sent me his new sticker, which is absolutely beautiful. He sent me Patriot's mom's new sticker. I love it. Very nice. And I won a giveaway. This $100 gold foil bill. Very awesome. Now, this wasn't just any auction. This was an auction of one-of-a-kind items. Something you'll never see again. They were stamped with the initials MSP. America Silver Patriot. I helped out with the auction, and in return, which he did not have to, he sent me his button. I absolutely love it, and am truly honored to own a one-of-a-kind piece. Thank you so much, brother. It was my honor to help, and I enjoyed helping. With this, on the back of his sticker is the COA. Thank you so much, America Silver Patriot and Patriot's mom, for the awesome auction, for your friendship, and always being there I truly appreciate you both. Nerd Analyst was doing a live stream quarter hunt and had a gaw. I was lucky enough to win. He sent his sticker, and congrats on the gaw. A W. River of No Return quarter. Thanks so much, Nerd Analyst. Truly appreciate the win. The new Mismatic Stacker did a 12 Days of Christmas gaw. It was awesome. His intro was so cute, and how generous of him. Truly thankful for the opportunities and the fun during the 12 days. I was lucky enough to win, and it came with this cute card, Happy Holidays. May Christmas be full of fun festivities this year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mismatic Stacker. What I won was this beautiful 1963 D Benji. I also won a 1907 S Barber Half, and a 1945 S Micro S Mercury Dime. If you guys haven't checked out new Mismatic Stacker, you need to. He's a lot of fun, has great content, very generous and nice person. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate the win and the entertainment and fun for the holiday. You're awesome. Can Collectibles, another great channel, was having a live stream at night, and he had a gaw. I guess Macintosh for the type of apples. I won. He sent me this 2017 Bullion Shark copper round. He also sent me an upgrade for my book, a 2004 D Michigan quarter, and a 2019 D quarter I needed for my album. Thank you so much, Can. I truly appreciate you. Coin Noob was doing a quarter roll hunt. He's always so much fun. I bought some rolls, and in those rolls he found 3 West Point Salt River Bays. I also won at the end of stream Buffalo Round. If you don't have Coin Noob, check him out. Thank you so much, Coin Noob. BR Chef 2 did a trade with me for this W 2020 Marshall Billings Rockefeller. Thank you so much. Deborah Walls did a trade with me for a Tallgrass Prairie 2020 W. Thank you, Deborah Walls. I won on Living Room Panner stream. He always has such fun games and raffles. Spring Christine donated 1936 D Walking Liberty. Thank you, Spring Christine. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I also was lucky enough to win 2 Merry Christmas copper rounds. If you don't have Living Room Panner, check him out. He's doing an awesome birthday gaw. Pammy Jones, what a sweetheart. I won on her stream. I got this lovely card. Congrats and thank you, my friend. Enjoy. The 2009 Northern Marina S-Proof Silver Quarter. Absolutely gorgeous. a 1961D shiny BU cent, and a 1959D BU penny. Thank you, Pammy Jones. John Argent had an auction, and I was lucky enough to win the bid for these Canadian dimes. They are gorgeous, and they fit perfect in my album. Thank you so much, John. I truly appreciate you. If you don't have him, check him out. He's always doing auctions or some kind of coin hunt. He's a really good channel and member of the community. Sharp Eye for Coins. What a great channel. He's always hunting something or doing an auction. And I stopped in and helped him with his auction. He sent me a Tall Grass Prairie S quarter. Absolutely beautiful. And I was also lucky enough to win on his stream. He's so sweet. He sent me this 1959 D quarter. Thanks, Joe. If you don't have him, check him out. Coin Crew was running an auction, and I placed a bid on this beautiful 1964 Canadian half dollar. I won the bid. Thanks, Coin Crew. With some help from my friends, I was able to complete my 2020 West Point quarter collection. Thank you so much, BR Chef 2, Deborah Walls, Coin Noob, and Jeep and John. I couldn't have done it without you. And these quarters are beautiful. Thank you to all the channels I've won and participated on. Please head over and check their videos out. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'm sure they'd appreciate it too. I thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day. I've placed all their links in the description down below. Best wishes.